Hi, this is Brian from GoFiles.com. With us today here at GoFiles.com lab is a Cooler Masters CM Storm Mech. Yep, that's the name of this mechanical keyboard. It comes with white backlight, removable bezel, as you can see, screws over various points, and the macro keys are at the side here, with functions such as adjusting of the backlight. You can see the intensity change, and there's a Windows lock key and many other things. So basically it's a pretty simple keyboard, and with a software downloadable from Cooler Masters website for macro purpose. Now I'm going to start with a StarCraft 2 game to show you the sound from the Cherry and Mech switches. Okay, so there you have it. This is the sound from the Cherry MX switch that's found on the CM Storm's Mech mechanical keyboard. Once again, signing off, this is Brian from GoFiles.com. Thank you for watching.